Ayubowan, and welcome back to Sri Lanka Sanchare. Today, we're taking you on a journey to a peaceful tropical escape in the shadow of one of Sri Lanka's most iconic landmarks, Sigiriya. Welcome to Tropicara Resort, where tranquility, nature, and warm hospitality create the perfect getaway. From the moment you arrive, Tropicara Resort makes you feel at home. Surrounded by nature, this eco-friendly resort is designed to let you unwind while still enjoying the luxuries of a modern stay. With Sigiriya Rock just a short distance away, Tropicara Resort is the ideal base for exploring the wonders of the cultural triangle. Let's take a closer look at the cottages here at Tropicara Resort. Each one is thoughtfully designed to blend seamlessly with the surrounding nature, giving you a true jungle experience while offering all the comforts you need. The interiors are a perfect blend of rustic charm and modern amenities. Spacious, comfortable, and with views that let you wake up to the beauty of the jungle. It's the perfect place to relax after exploring Sigiriya's ancient wonders. The pool here at Tropicara Resort is a tranquil oasis, perfect for cooling off after a day in the sun or simply relaxing by the water with a refreshing drink. The outdoor lounge offers plenty of spots to sit back, enjoy the tropical surroundings, and let time slow down. When it comes to dining, Tropicara Resort offers an incredible experience. Whether you're craving traditional Sri Lankan flavors or international cuisine, the chefs here make every meal a delight. With a focus on locally sourced, fresh ingredients, the food here is a perfect complement to the resort's natural surroundings. Sigiriya is just a short distance from Tropicara Resort, making it an ideal location for those who want to explore Sri Lanka's rich history and culture. Climbing Sigiriya Rock is a must, offering spectacular views and a glimpse into the ancient kingdom. Beyond Sigiriya, you can also visit the nearby Minaria National Park, famous for its elephant gatherings, or explore the ancient ruins of Polonnaruwa. What makes Tropicara Resort even more special is its commitment to sustainability. The resort operates with eco-friendly practices, ensuring that it leaves a minimal footprint while giving back to the environment. From using renewable energy to supporting local communities, Tropicara Resort is dedicated to preserving the beauty of Sri Lanka for generations to come. As the sun sets, the magic of Tropicara Resort comes alive. Whether you're enjoying a bonfire with friends or stargazing in the peaceful surroundings, every moment here is truly unforgettable. If you're looking for the perfect blend of nature, comfort, and adventure, Tropicara Resort in Sigiriya is the ultimate destination. Whether you're exploring ancient wonders or simply relaxing in the heart of the jungle, this place offers an experience you won't forget. Thank you for joining us at Sri Lanka Sanchare. Until next time, safe travels and Ayubowan.